Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. On this video, we're firing up the Slow and Sear Kamado grill, and we're gonna be doing it original Kamado style. We're gonna be doing some nice basic pulled pork sandwiches. Let's get going. So like I said, we're gonna be keeping this cook very simple, nothing fancy. We're not doing competition. We're just doing some good old fashioned backyard barbecue. And for a rub, I just used some store-bought rub, man. Just some Grill Mates honey hickory. They look good. Thought I'd give it a try. They got some great rubs out there. You know, Weber makes some good ones too, but let's give this one a try. Again, no binder. All right, what I like to do is I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit. When we're ready to get this on the grill, I'll hit it one more time with a rub because this is gonna, you know, start coating and just soaking in, creating that little crust. I like to add a little bit more before I put it on the grill. We'll get done. So here's our pork butt straight off the Slow and Sear Kamado. The thing cruised 250 the whole time, about 11 hours. Didn't do much to it, just let it go. Again, this is just simple backyard pulled pork. All right, let's go ahead and shred this up. It's always a good sign to see the bone nice and clean. Go ahead and get some forks and just help it along because it is still kind of warm. I did let the pork sit for about 2 hours. Just covered it up and just let it hang out, let it rest. All right, we got this all pulled up. Let's make us some sandwiches. All right, so what I have here is just a regular hamburger bun, nothing special. Again, simple backyard barbecue. This is what we're gonna use. We get a handful of our pork. Just get that on there. Get some of that bark. Gotta make sure you get some of that bark on there. What I have here is just a basic North Carolina vinegar sauce, I guess you would call it. 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of ketchup, teaspoon of crushed red pepper, some salt and pepper. Put it in a jar, shake it up, simple. I love vinegar sauces with my pulled pork, or a mustard sauce. Just gonna get a little bit of that, just drizzle it right over. That's it, nice and simple. You can add some pickles, some onions, red onions would be nice. Whatever you want. I just like it simple. Done. Let's bite into this. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Juicy, tender, just bite through. A little twang from that vinegar sauce. This thing's killer. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next run. Thanks for watching.